When most people think of King's Dominion, they think roller coasters.
But this summer, the park is packed with live entertainment that most guests completely overlook. Today, we're seeing all the shows to find out which ones deserve a spot in your day.
Hey everybody, welcome back to One More Thing. Today we're spending the evening at King's Dominion in Doswell, Virginia to experience all of their summer entertainment. During the summer, the park also offers live shows, a water parade, concerts, and even a nighttime drone and fireworks spectacular.
Before we jump into the entertainment, here's a quick look at the park. King's Dominion is a 400-acre amusement park located just off Interstate 95, about 20 miles north of Richmond. It's owned by Six Flags, and the park features more than 60 attractions, including 13 roller coasters, Planet Snoopy for younger guests, and Soak City Water Park, which is included with park admission. So whether you're here for thrills, family attractions, or live entertainment, there's plenty to experience throughout the day. Our first show starts this afternoon.
We are seeing the Splash Water Parade, going on now through August 9th, Tuesday through Sunday. And as the afternoon temperatures climb, King's Dominion has a pretty unique way to help guests cool off. This parade has colorful floats, playful characters, energetic music, and lots of water. The parade follows the Wacky Waterworks Company and their crew of fun-loving plumbers as they make their way through the midway, spraying guests along the route. If you're hoping to stay dry, you may want to watch from a distance. But if you're looking for a fun way to cool off, this is definitely refreshing. Just a reminder that this parade can be affected by weather or lightning in the area, and they might have to cancel for safety reasons.
I thought this was a very fun parade. It had a really fun, catchy song, and it was a great way to get the crowd involved by just spraying them with water. Kids would definitely love this because, kids don't mind getting wet. And we just got to see a little bit of the parade passing by so that we could make it to our next show, but it's a super fun theme. After cooling off outside, it's time to head indoors for one of the park's biggest productions. Cirque Imagine combines incredible athleticism with theatrical storytelling to create a full stage spectacular. Throughout the performance, you'll see gravity-defying aerial acts, balancing performances, acrobatics, dance, and visual effects all working together to tell a story.
This was an absolutely amazing show. We loved the bike stunts and the tricks, the hula hoop set, and it was just such a fun show to sit down and take in. The roller skating definitely had me on the edge of my seat with all the flips they were doing. It was just amazing, and I liked the music they played along with it. I liked how the stage set pieces were interactive with the lighting and the fog, and it really made it feel really immersive. We would definitely see this show again. And as the sun goes down, the energy in the park shifts. Rock the Night transforms the bandstand into a full concert experience. This isn't just a live band performing music. The show also features singers, dancers, drummers, and energetic choreography. It almost feels like you're attending an outdoor summer concert. It's a fun way to end your evening while waiting for the park's nighttime spectacular.
We thought the music for this one was so much fun, and it was a great mix of old and new hits so that multiple generations are going to enjoy this. It was so much fun that they incorporated classic rock hits, but then there were like TikTok dances and songs that are popular on TikTok thrown in as well, and the crowd was just loving it. And even if you didn't know the dances or anything, it didn't matter because it's just such a great show to enjoy. The dancing was amazing, the singing was great. I thought the costumes were so cute and sparkly. They even had performers coming down off of the stage and kind of dancing in the front with the crowd. Like, you could tell the crowd was really enjoying it and they were really into it. So I would absolutely want to see this show again. We are wrapping up our night with none other than Ignite the Night. This is going on now through August 9th, Friday through Sunday. This show combines traditional fireworks with synchronized drones to create an impressive nighttime spectacular.
I really enjoyed the drone choreography. I was curious what the images would be, and I absolutely loved the Snoopy and Woodstock they had, but all of it was really well done and so colorful. I just think drones at a theme park are such a great way to end the night. They're so impressive and fun. It's just something you don't see very often. And the fireworks along with it were great. It was really nice to have both, and you could see both at the same time. We stood right near the entrance to the Soak City Water Park over by the Candy Apple Grove and had a great viewing spot. I do think this show is worth staying late for, especially if you've never seen a drone show before.
After experiencing everything King's Dominion has to offer this summer, we were honestly very impressed by the variety of entertainment throughout the day. There's a lot happening this summer beyond the rides. If you're planning a summer visit, we definitely recommend checking the entertainment schedule and downloading the app before you arrive so you can fit these shows into your day, and we hope this helps you pick which shows you'd like to see the most. If you're planning to visit King's Dominion more than once this season, the Gold membership offers a lot of value. You'll get unlimited admission to King's Dominion, free general parking, discount tickets, and admission to the East Coast Six Flags parks. Memberships start at $8 a month after a $30 one-time initiation fee. So if you plan to visit a few times this year, it's definitely worth considering.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which summer entertainment offering would you be the most excited to experience at King's Dominion? Splash Water Parade, Cirque Imagine, Rock the Night, or Ignite the Night? Let us know in the comments below. We'll see you at the next adventure, but there's one more thing.